guiding me to live for real. And inside were tools that encouraged me not just to capture moments, but to create, print, and share my own live for real stories. Because Realme has partnered up with brands that share the same vision to ensure that media, the squad, and content creators like us are really living to the testimony. And they partnered with Hollyland with their Lark A1 wireless mic. I really love this. Nung sinuot ko siya, talagang sobrang dali niyang gamitin for the content creators. With its, which makes it easy to record crystal clear audio anytime and anywhere. Actually, meron ako dito. Hindi pa nga ito yung pinakamaliit din. So I'm excited for you guys to try that out. And also, nag-partner up tayo with Fujifilm Instax Philippines and the Instax Mini Link 3. You can transform digital memories into instant prints that you can hold and truly keep. Medyo nostalgic to for the 90s kids, for the titos, and for aesthetic content, bagay na bagay to. Of course, Realme shared these PR kits with content creators. Sino nakatanggap ng mga PR kits from Realme? I'm sure natuwa din kayo. And even members from our community. So they too could share better stories with their audiences while embracing the spirit of living for real. Okay? So tayo makikipagkwentuhan muna. Okay? And speaking of that, syempre, let's hear a first-hand experience. Joining us is our media friend from Philstar, Sir JV Fernandez. Palakpakan natin si Sir JV. Okay. Sir JV, parang nakikita mo yung napaka-bigong fit. Tsaka nakakaupuhan natin. Sabi ko sir sa mga nandito ngayon for the Realme Grand Launch. What can you say?
I'm really excited to be here. So, I just recently got back from Germany at IFA. It's the largest consumer and dealer tech show in the entire world. So I was there for a whole week. And alam mo, this is it was my second time. And knowing the floor, so just to give you an idea how big the floor is, it's like walking from uptown to High Street.
Okay.
So that's how big it is. So, automatic 20,000 steps din sa watch. And I think I was looking for a camera at that time that I could use to capture like the entire show. Right? A very versatile camera, but also a phone that had a lot of battery life. The funny thing was, I had super prepared for this. Power bank. During this, when I took the taxi going to the show, I forgot the power bank. I realized, shucks, paano to? Baka mawalan ako ng battery.
Yeah. Especially when you're traveling, anxious yun.
But using this, 7,000 milliamps, siguro after 6 hours of filming, video, and photos, and then I was using also the mic, diba?
Yeah, the mic, yeah.
The Hollyland mic. Siguro wala pang 50%. Nawala.
Pwede mo with this nice thing.
Battery. So, I was doing content for like maybe 5-6 hours straight.
Ano experience mo with the video and the photos?
You can actually just check it out. Check the Facebook page of Philippine Star. And our review is also out on philstartech.com. It's really,
don't talk about
10 thumbs up. 15 thumbs up. 15 thumbs up.
Tama kayo, galing. Ang ganda na wordplay siya. Pero Sir JD, sobrang ganda. It's really great to hear from you. How can you, kumbaga, in comparison with the past phones ng Realme, ano yung mga talagang napansin mo in-level up nila?
I've been using this number series since the 11. So 11 to 15 nagamit ko. Number one, the battery life has really improved, and the zoom number two. I really like the curved screen. For me, underrated to because there are times, let's say when I'm editing an article or looking at an Excel spreadsheet, and I have to like pinch on the right or the left side. It means you're highlighting text, pero sobrang laki ng thumb mo. Hindi mo ma-highlight kasi nga hindi curved yung screen. So I'm glad this thing comes with it.
And personally, the aesthetic yung likod, sobrang ganda. Dinagyan mo ng pressure sa'yo, pero parang
so may light na siya, nakuha niyo yung light lagi. Ginawa ko na ng battery yan.
Thank you very much, Sir JD. It's great to hear na-experience mo, of course, in Germany, yung ating Realme 15 Series 5G. And to really show you what it means, thank you very much, Sir JD. And to really show you what it means to live for real, we've invited 3 special guests tonight. 2 of them have already taken the phone with them abroad, like Sir JD. One is a professional photographer who puts it to the test in his craft, and of course, the star of the night, the Realme 15 Pro 5G. I've been hyped to hear real stories about this phone. So let's bring out our special guests. Please welcome Ms. Charlene San Pedro, Doc Z, and Stephen Cappuccino. Ay, nandiyan na pala kayo. Hindi ko naman nalabas yan. Okay, what's up guys? How are you guys? How are you tonight? And welcome sa ating special night for Realme.
Actually, we're good. Super excited for the launch ng ating bagong phone.
How about Doc Z? How are you and how excited are you for the people na wala pang hawak ng 15?
Para sa akin, talagang dapat sila ma-excite kasi nung ginamit ko to, ang sol.
Talaga. Miss Arlene, how are you?
Sobrang saya kasi actually isa kami sa mga unang masaswerteng nakapag-test out agad, hindi pa nare-release. Actually, ngayon pa lang. So, ayun, excited kami para masubukan nyo kasi ang ganda talaga ng camera.
Yun, syempre for content creators,
yes.
Camera very, very important. So, we're talking about the new Realme 15 Pro 5G. And you guys had the chance to use it in real life sa mga lifestyle ninyo na syempre iba-iba naman tayong lahat, di ba? So let's dive right into it. Charlene and Doc Z, kayo yung in the past month na nakapag-travel kayo, nadala ninyo yung phone natin. And Japan and London, tama ba? Japan and London, di ba? Kung saan nadala? Germany, Japan and London. Okay, meron ba kayo napuntahan recently?
Wala po. Wala naman po kami napuntahan kasi puro yung sa London, with kay Doc Z. Nagpunta kami for Blackpink concert and then Japan work trip. Pero dala namin to.
Yun. So na-experience rin sa concert, which is very important also, di ba? Kasi when you take photos, videos, parang memories. How was that experience sa concert nyo din?
Actually, hindi sa concert. Dinala ko to sa mga iba't ibang places sa London, like Painted Hall, ganyan. Sobrang, etong phone lang na to nakapagbigay ng justice sa mga magagandang views sa London.
Totoo.
Yeah. Nakuha niya yung talagang, kung ano yung nakikita ng mata ko, yun yung nakukuha niya.
Mga followers mo, parang kasama mo with your photos, di ba? So what made you snap those moments in London? Talagang, was it your first time there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so talagang, syempre, ipon ka ng photos.
Sabi ko nga, bawat lakad ko sa London, kahit anong street doon, parang Instagrammable. So as a tita, Tito Mikey, alam ko kung alam mo yan, na parang as a tita, gusto ko mas snap lahat ng memories, lahat ng nakikita ng mata ko, para may babalikan akong memories. And every time na nakaka-capture to ng, every time na nakakita ako ng street, ito yung ginagamit ko pang capture, and sobrang ganda ng detail, kita lahat, very vibrant ng picture. And yun nga, sinasabi ko, na talagang kung ano yung nakikita ng mata ko, yun yung nakikita ng camera. Siya yung nagbibigay ng justice talaga.
So talagang pag nag-turista mode ka, maganda na may dalang phone. And of course, you also talked about how pag tito-tita ka na, parang lahat ng nakita mo, kailangan mong picturean, di ba? Kailangan mong mauwi at mapakita sa mga followers mo, sa friends mo. Kaya importante din yung battery life, pinag-usapan din natin yan kanina. Pero agree ako dyan. I'm sure maraming nakaka-relate dyan. Because lalo na ngayon, ang maraming gusto mag-travel because it's one of the ways to relax, di ba? And live life to the fullest. Nasa travel era tayo ngayon. How about you, Charlene? How was your experience in Japan? And also, how was the experience of bringing the phone with you?
So ayun, kanina nga I mentioned na dinala ko to for a work trip. Kaya yung mga photos na pinost ko sa Instagram, puro OOTD. Nahiya ako kasi nung nakita ko yung photos niya, sobrang ganda. Mga view sa back, view sa Painted Hall, mga pinuntahan namin. Sabi ko, bakit hindi mo man lang sinabi sa akin na, ayan yung mga photos sa UK. Pero ito yung sa Japan, may pagkain, may mukha ko, puro mukha ko. Pero ayun, maganda yung camera talaga, as in, na-try ko din siya na naka 4K 60 FPS video. Kaya sobrang upgrade talaga siya, lalo na sa mga gusto mag-OOTD or mahilig mag-fit checks, ganyan. Ayun.
Sino ba mahilig mag-fit check dito? Pero kita-kita na nag-level up yung mga OOTD post right there, no?
Yes.
Nakita siya yung background, talagang kita-kita yung detail.
Ang linis, ang ganda ng kulay.
I'm sure, ayan mo, nadala mo pa pala sa Disneyland. So, sigurado talagang ma-maximize it. But I'm sure everybody's very excited for you guys to try it out as well sa mga next work trip ninyo. Ayan, so para sa mga titos and sissies na nanonood sa atin, tip from Charlene, If you want to level up your OOTD like she did, at pag-iisipan ko na rin, gumamit kayo ng Realme 50 Pro 5G. Stephen, I also saw your photos kanina, nagkwentuhan tayo. Curious lang ako if talagang smartphone yung gamit mo dyan. Kasi alam mo naman, sanay kami na gumagamit ka ng mga professional camera. So minsan pag nagpo-post ka na, na-assume kami ng professional camera yung gamit mo. So if you look at Stephen's photos, mapapaisip ka kung smartphone pa ba yung gamit nito o yung mga quality ng photos mo, kitang-kita. What can you say about it and how was the experience?
Well, yes, actually, it's the Realme 15 Pro 5G. Just to, sobrang dali lang mag-shoot yan di ba? If you have this phone, just pull it out of your pocket and then focus on the subject and then take a photo. Ayun, tapos let the phone do its magic. Usually, I take my Pro Gear with me, pero for this one, I think, this phone nailed it.
Hindi mo na kailangan dalhin yung katakot-takot mong gear to take photos like this. I mean, I'm sure you guys see what we see, di ba? Kita niyo naman, it's amazing to think na galing sa smartphone to. And for, again, titos and titas na gusto ng ang haters ko kasi I love using good cameras, pero yung ayos mo pa yung settings, hindi mo na marunong nun, so paano ayos yung lighting, and so it's great to hear from you na professional, na parang ano ka lang, ang tawag mo doon, shoot lang ng shoot.
Yes.
Image shoot lang, parang gano'n, di ba? Focus lang. So, what was that? Even as a professional photographer, na may mga, I'm sure may mga professional photographers din dito, how was it like na, kumbaga, how can you compare yung settings ng mga magagandang camera? Nagugulat ka, kaya din namin.
I would just give a tip siguro when it comes to shooting a subject. Very crucial yung lighting. Diba? As always. Itong mga to kasi syempre we shot that in a controlled lighting kasi. Sorry, kamay ito nung nag-assist sa akin. So, meron kaming honey. Tapos sabi ko, gusto kong kunan yung honey dripping sa kamay. So, ayan. Capture naman yun. Pero ito, this was shot against window lang.
Window lang yan?
Natural light, yes.
Parang may studio pa di ba? Ganda. So more than just great photos and good quality videos, this phone's really built for real life. Let's talk about naman yung mga, how it kept up with your everyday grind. Di ba? Let's talk about the battery. Charlene, dala mo sa Japan, sabi nga natin, you put the phone to the test. Did you have to bring a power bank? Like katulad sabi nga ni Sir JV kanina, syempre, you were taking outdoor photos, Disney ka, meeting ka, how was the battery life?
Ayun, maximize ko talaga yung battery, like, scroll ako sa lahat ng social media platform. Syempre, kahit worth it, dapat nagtatrabaho ko pa din. Kailangan nagsasagot ko pa rin ng inquiries and all. Ginamit namin sa maps para hindi kami maligaw. Pero wala talaga, as in super light ang dala ko sa bag kasi hindi ko na kailangan magdala ng power bank. Kasi meron siyang 7,000 mAh. Sobrang laki, hindi pa naubos yung battery ko, nasa hotel na ako.
Totoo. And again, nakaka-anxious yun, especially when you're out of the country. Nagta-travel kayo, mauubusan ka na. But at the same time, may trabaho ka. Tapos gusto mo ba mag-picture, di ba? And it's funny because you said, ang laki ng battery, ang lakas ng battery, pero sobrang nipis ng phone. Diba? So talagang perfectly done ito for really. And that's very, very relatable. Siyempre, ikot ng ikot pag maraming dala. Diba? Doc Z, ikot ng ikot pag maraming dala sa Germany.
Ay, naku talaga. Lalo na ako, sa kapag nag-out of country, gusto ko, maliit lang yung bag ko. So, saktong-sakto siya, hindi siya hassle dalhin. Talagang kasya talaga siya sa bag ko kahit maliliit yung bags ko. So, maraming energy, maraming space pang shopping. And nandun na lahat ang aesthetic, ang design, ang slim, ang ganda, pwede rin pang isama sa OOTD, sabi nga ni Shirley.
Tama naman. And also for the guys naman na ayaw naman natin nagdadala yung mga guys na ayaw nagdadala ng bag, like me, sobrang perfect siya sa backpack. Kasi hindi mapapansin na nandun. Siyempre, pag OOTD, narelate tayo dyan. Stephen, ikaw naman, have you tried charging the phone? Kasi nagulat ako when I first tried it out, when I charged it, sobrang bilis. Sobrang bilis. Like, literal, kaka-charge ko lang. Tapos may ginawa lang ako saglit. Tapos gugulat ka pagbalik mo, fully charged na. Parang ang bilis ng charge. Anong tingin mo doon? Nagulat ka ba? Napansin mo ba yun?
Actually, sobrang game changer siya. Diba? Pwede ko masabi na bago pa lumamig yung kape mo, fully charged na siya. Ayun.
Hindi mo pa nauubos yung kape mo, no?
Hindi ba?
Hindi pa
Oo.
nauubos.
Diba? Ganun siya kabilis, ganun siya ka-powerful.
And for people who are always on the go, sometimes, di ba, yung mabilisan lang, kailangan mo na mag-charge, tapos alis na ulit ako. So very, very perfect again for real-life moments, and may chance ka just capture each moment para naman maaalala mo sila, di ba? Yan gusto natin. And at the end of the day, it's really about the memories we make and collect, di ba? So let's talk about your most live for real moment with the phone. Let's start with Charlene. If you had to choose your favorite photos sa mga pinakita natin kanina, anong pinaka-kumbaga na-appreciate mo yung camera na Realme?
Pinaka na-appreciate ko yung nandun ako.
Ganyan ang content creator.
Yung nandun ako, kasi for me, malalaman mo talaga na maganda yung isang camera kapag talaga may subject din naman. Well, lahat naman ng photos may subject. Pero makikita mo yung ganda ng camera, yun yung basehan ko kung maganda ako.
Yun yung basehan. Pag maganda ako, maganda yung camera.
Maganda talaga. Kahit video, kahit photo. Maganda na. Siyempre, maganda yun. Mababalikan mo yung mga memories kapag magaganda yung photos mo, di ba?
That's true. Ganda na OOTD mo, ganda pa ng kuha. Marunong pa pumosing, di ba? Very candid looking. Diba? Parang hindi mo nakita yung camera.
Kunyari, ganito lang yun. Oh, lakad ka kunyari.
Lakad ka kunyari. Ganun-ganun ka lang ba?
Ganito lang, oh.
Ayan, di ba?
Pero ang ganda, di ba? Dahil yan sa...
Yan, di ba? Ang ganda ng resulta, perfect for your Instagram posts, di ba? Facebook, aesthetic for your carousel posts. Tsaka ang ganda rin niya for mirror shots. Na-experience ko rin niya. Doxy, how about you? If you had to tell your followers about the story, about the photo, what would it be? Ito, ang ganda rin mga story.
Ayan. Ito talaga. Yung pumunta kami sa Painted Hall sa London, ito talaga yung pagpasok ko pa lang, kinikilabutan na ako kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng lugar. And hindi siya nakuha ng mga SLR. Pero nung ito yung ginamit ko, yan yung naging resulta. And yun nga, dun ko nasabi na, hala, yung Realme 15 Pro 5G lang yung nakakuha nung kung ano yung naramdaman ko, kung ano yung kulay, kung ano talaga yung nakita ko, yung na-feel ko doon, siya yung nakakuha. And eto kasing picture na to, ang tawag dyan is Triumph of Peace and Liberty over Tyranny. So, grabe talaga. Nasa roof yan eh. Pinaint siya sa roof. So, ayun, being in England kasi, part siya ng dream destination ko. So, talagang every time na nakakakita ko ng places doon, pinipicturean ko. Kaya, quantum leap din talaga na I'm taking the photo na gamit ang Realme 15 Pro 5G.
Oo, no? Kasi nga, you can relive the feeling. Yun naman importante, diba? Maramdaman mo ulit yung naramdaman mo when you were there. And also, maramdaman din namin. Because, just so you guys know, na-stretch pa nga itong photo na to eh. Kasi syempre, nalagay natin sa big screen. So, can you imagine na lang pag nasa photo, nasa phone mo lang yan, kung gano'ng katetalyado yan, especially pag mga ganyang paintings. Diba? Very, very ma-appreciate mo yung details with that. So, narinig nyo yun guys, if you want to level up the quality of your photos, mag-Realme 15 Pro 5G na kayo. And Stephen, as a pro, ikaw ang professional photographer dito, bakit mo masasabi na this phone is for everyone else? Yung mga normal na nilalang lang po kami, hindi po kami professional photographer, pero paano mo nasabing kaya din namin yung mga ganyan shots?
It makes capturing the photos so simple. Diba? Even candid shots. Uy, meron pala ako dyan.
Hindi mga photos magaganda.
So,
ano to?
Okay, this one I shot in, it's siguro para may bubbles. I used parang carbonated water or even soft drinks, you can do that. Yeah, and then good lighting lang. There.
So kahit kami na hindi masyadong, hindi mo yung pro, kaya din namin gawin doon. Ang nakikita ko dito, parang pang-commercial na itong mga to.
Actually, pwede, di ba? Ayun, dito natin masasabi na this phone makes you look like a pro without even trying. Di ba?
Pati yun. Saan to?
Okay. Ito ata, if I'm not mistaken, pag-google na lang po, parang Mount Arayat siya. Pwede ko sanang sabihin na Japan. Pero, yeah.
May mga Pinoy brands sa baba so mga hindi papasan Japan.
Pero this is my view sa condo. Sa may QC.
And I also want to say, yung colors ng fruits natin, Ramdam
Yes,
na talagang
sobrang vibrant at saka sobrang crisp.
And there you have it, guys. Di ba? Palakpakan naman natin ang ating special guests. And of course, their photos na pinakita sa atin just to excite us more about the Realme 15 Pro 5G. Real moments, real stories, all captured by this special new phone from Realme. With its cameras, powerhouse processor, battery and charging, it can let you keep up with life. And it really is made for those who want to live for real. Big thank you to Charlene, Doxy, and Stephen for sharing their experiences. Thank you very much sa inyo, please. And for everyone here today, don't forget to explore our experiential booths right outside sa foyer area natin. Each one is designed to show you how Realme 15 Series Pro 5G helps you truly live for real. From the iconic Realme 15 arch at the entrance to the showcase areas in partnership with Holly Halan and Fujifilm. There's so much to see and experience. Capture memories at the photo tunnel and take home your very own Instax photo card. Strike a pose at the 0.6 photo booth or go all out at the 360.